So folks, we are trying to forage mushrooms, but we don't discover yet with my father. But at least we have a wonderful day, Monday. This is my free day, my second free day of my weekend. And so far there are two types of mushrooms only that are not edible. No, one of them is edible, but we discovered a few of them only. And one of them is the biała muchomorka in Bulgarian, white muchomorka. I don't know how is the Latin. Here they feed the forest animals. Sometimes they leave straws. Wanted to show you around the village of my father. This is around Levočevo. Just absolutely spectacular, quiet and lovely space for relax. Let me show you a little bit further. And behind this forest over there, you can see the horizon a little bit. These are the Smolyan rock formations, a row of Smolyan rock formations. And now check, this is a quite cool materials for eco projects, eco houses, fairy houses, you know. Check here, somebody living here probably. Yeah. Nice. Let's see now.